The QXNY 10.36 inTouch boasts a generous 10.36-inch IPS touchscreen, setting a new standard in in-car displays. Featuring IPS technology, it ensures a superior viewing experience with a full 178 viewing angle. This technology not only delivers wider viewing angles but also enhances color accuracy and screen consistency, surpassing conventional VA&TN panels. One standout feature of the QXNY 10.36 inTouch is its ability to simultaneously display two screens. This split-screen functionality proves invaluable for monitoring multiple feeds such as HD backup cameras or DVR recordings, offering unparalleled situational awareness and control directly from your dashboard. The monitor doubles as a multimedia hub, supporting MP5 playback for both video and music files. It also features FM transmission capability, allowing seamless integration with your vehicle's audio system to enhance sound quality and entertainment options on the go. Additionally, the screen mirroring function enables effortless projection of compatible devices onto the monitor, expanding your entertainment and productivity possibilities while maintaining focus on the road. Designed with driver convenience in mind, the QXNY 10.36 inTouch includes essential features such as reversing scale calibration and switch, along with a built-in reversing scale on the screen itself. A screensaver function helps conserve power during periods of inactivity, while the ability to display time and date, adjust brightness and volume, and customize license plate settings further enhances usability and personalization.